Why was everyone talking about Meta buying Manus AI? Here's a simple way to understand what the deal could mean. Start by looking at what Manus AI actually does. Manus is known for autonomous AI agents that can complete tasks like research, planning, and automation with less human input. Meta was reportedly interested because it wants stronger AI tools that can do more than just answer questions. Next, think about Meta's goal. Meta already owns platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, so adding AI agents could help automate content creation, ads, customer support, and productivity tools across its ecosystem. You should also understand why the story became so big. Since Manus had Chinese roots, the reported deal raised concerns about AI technology ownership and government regulation. That turned it from a normal business story into a major AI industry topic. Finally, the situation showed how important AI agents are becoming. Big tech companies are now competing to build AI systems that can actually perform tasks instead of only generating text responses. Now you know why the reported Meta and Manus AI deal became such a major topic in the AI industry.